Alrighty, we have cheaped out, and instead of replacing the tires, we're just going to put tubes in them. Because these certainly will not hold air without a tube. Not sure I can do this on the machine or not, but we'll give it a shot. Okay, right. These tires are really fancy. Alrighty, and we have these tubes that we're putting in. Didn't realize these just had rubber valve stems instead of the screw type. But hey, we'll do with what we got. See these cracks? These things are terrible. There we go. I'll let all the air back out of this tube so it can move around inside the tire and get to where it needs to be. We don't want it to be all crinkled up. Don't think we got a lot of air in there yet. Oh, about 17 pounds. That should probably be about enough. Really would have put tires on these, but the guy that owns this found out the tubes are cheaper. So, tubes it is. Alrighty, I'm going to change the other side and I'll bring you back when I'm done. Alright, well the two-seater go-kart is now finished. We've done quite a bit to this thing, some of it on camera and some of it not. We put tubes in the front tires and left the old cracked tires on it. We replaced this steering knuckle here with apparently one that has a little bit too much camber. We also replaced the tie rod end because that looked like a bird-turd welded up mess. We got the brakes to work, we got the throttle to work. We put different tires on the back of it. Yep, that's dog poop on the front too. And we also got the engine running. We did not clean the carburetor. It straightened up pretty good, but we did do an oil change on it. We got the CBT system to work like it should, replaced the battery, even though I don't have the proper hold down for it because it's broke and the bolts are gone. But you know, there is that. And this is the results of it. Tell you what, just for posterity's sake here, let me fire this sweetheart up for you. Here we go. There it is. Several horsepowers of Tecumseh glory. It's all finished up, and look at this. Even the lights work. That is awesome. But anyway, guys, that finishes up the go-kart to the best I'm going to finish it up. It still has one seriously bent axle. It still has one seriously bent rear axle, and when you try to ride this thing down the road, it just gets to hopping like mad. So there is that. Both front tires have incredible camber to them, but I guess that might make it turn better. I don't know. Anyway, this sweetheart is finished up. I might actually go to the trouble of putting a zip tie over here. I doubt it, but you never know. Anyway, that finishes up the go-kart. Thanks for watching throughout this two-part episode, and God bless. This thing is far from perfect, very much so. When you get going down the road, this axle is bent bad enough that it starts hopping like a one-legged man in a butt-kicking contest. It is just all over the place. Now, off-road, it's still bad, but it's not quite as bad. So, what we're going to do is call it done. Guys, thanks for watching this two-part series on this two-seater go-kart. I really appreciate you watching. Go ahead and subscribe, like the video, leave a comment down below. I like comments. Anyway, thanks for watching once again, and God bless.